Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for the time give to our time. Now we will present our materials. Next, members.
Introduce myself. My name is Jonathan Erul Hulima.
My name is Nilu Putoy Cahyani.
My name is Desya Brando Silugun.
My name is Asri Abisilaswa.
Next, content. 1. Definition. 2. Advantages and deficit of gaming education and money. 3. Deficiency of gaming addiction and money. 4. Explain in everyday life. 5. Factor income. Next, presenter 1. I'm invited.
Thank you for the opportunity. Given I will explain what game and money education. Game and money education is a condition where a person depends on one activity, like gambling, shopping, playing games. That is fun, but is carried out continuously and interference with daily life. This education makes forgetting responsibility, such as students who study wrong or adults are working, taking care of the family, and also interfere with health. I will return to the moderator.
Thank you, Yosia. Next, I'm invite Jonathan for the second material.
Thanks, moderator, for the opportunity. This time I will explain about advantages and benefits of gaming addiction and money. 1. Improve visual social skills. Modern science shows that video games can actually help improve vision. This suggests that someone who plays certain types of game is better able to recognize more shades of gray than people who don't. 2. Help slow down the aging process. This is because gamers are geared toward problem solving. Example, puzzle memory games, as they stimulated the brain for only 10 hours gain, can have a lasting positive effect on brain function, especially for players over 50. 3. The emergence of online multiplayer games has helped people all over the world to connect. By making new friends and creating communities, working together can solve problems in game, both online and offline. 4. Hone your English. Most of the games are in English, so if you played it, then the game is learning medium. 5. Relieve stress after activity. 6. Make faster and more accurate decision making and improvement of problem solving skills. And the last, improve the performance of right brain. Right brain function as a regulator of creativity, innovation, and imagination. Deficiency of gaming addiction and money. 1. Led to addiction. World Health Organization recognizes video game addiction as disease. Addiction in question is excessive play that results in real mental health problems such as depression and social anxiety disorder. The purpose of the game is to make user addicted, because if the game is not addicted, then the game loses 90% of its revenue. Players who are dedicated to achieving in-game goals will of course not stop until the goals are achieved. 2. Encourage users to gamble. Video game publishers capitalize on the passion or addiction of users by sharing media entertainment to fill their pocket. You will be psychologically manipulated until you do, with the main aim of the game not to place to the audience but to get as many customers as possible to make in-app purchases. For example, to pass a certain level in the game, the player must spend money to purchase items in the game. 3. Cause other health problems such as vitamin D deficiency, muscle pain, and lack of sleep. This generally happens among gamers if play games too much, so that they rarely move all day in the front of PC. So it is highly recommended not to play games for more than 1 hour per day, because games also have negative consequences. Choose the presentation of the material that I presented, and I will return to moderator.
Thank you, Jonathan. Next, for me, the third speaker. 4. Explain in everyday life. 1. The game that are played always have lives that are very difficult or impossible to complete without buying item from the store. 3 for some user will stop at this stage, and also some user will invest in like having the goals they mainly set for themselves to buying in-game items to pass default levels. 2. In the game world, to the difficulty of the game start to increase slowly. Player become more invested in the game and start setting goals raw. For explain, I want to get 1000 gold. I want to reach level 10. I want to get the global high score. Next presenter for I'm invite.
And thanks to the moderator who has given me this opportunity to present the work that has been done. Opinions about games, education, and money in the employer. Okay, many games that make people addicted tend to forget of late. For example, forget to take SLR, eating late, sleeping early, and so on. So, can agree in the future later. The emergence of breadth of news game that are more challenging, interesting, and the vast ability to wear the highest level. Well, take what makes people upset with the game they play. Have negative impact on those left, learn spending a lot of just to play the game. And old binage very in the game, set the time or duration, so it's not linger in playing the game till the time that to do other activities can so bad not have a negative impact on yourself. Thank you. This I wrote it to the moderator. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you Asri. Next question and answer.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ulan Aisyah Saritinama from Group 4. I will give question to Group 2. Please explain the group's opinions if it is now that the game has positive and negative impacts on its users. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Jonathan Erluhulima from Group 4. Will answer question from Group 2. According to our game, beside having a positive impact, also have a negative impact. So that it all depends on us personally as user for how to respond to this condition, such as controlling ourselves and switching games that have benefit. Here are the response to question S. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gita Sandiang Kotasan. I'm a representative of the group of 3 would like to ask. The question is, what do your groups think about future game development? Thank you.
I am Jose Ibrando Silubun. I will answer question from group Hybrid Learning. So, in the future it will continue to grow but will be increasingly directed to get as much money as possible. So, the game is not only as a medium of entertain but as a medium to earn money. I return to the moderator.
Thanks Yusia. Next question 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Indah from Group 4. I will give question to Group 3. What is your advice to avoid the symptoms of gaming addiction?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asri Abisela Soa and I will answer question from Sister Indah. My advice is, the first, before adults or teenager, probably before playing the game, can set the time or limit the time. We just use the play game, and for minors must be supervised by present. The second, keep yourself busy with positive activities. And the three, often mingle with family, neighbors, friends, and other. Okay, maybe that's my answers. Thank you and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you. That's all from our group presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
you.